So 2 years later, they finally did a bigger adjustment, and a lot of our insurance companies saw about a 12% increase in materials just to keep up and make sure that your house is still insured to value.
Right.
Is the key thing, is insuring it to value.
Right.
But if you've made changes to the home, make sure you've made the insurance agent aware so that they can make adjustments to the amount of coverage that you've got. Because as long as you're insured to value, yeah, that policy should act accordingly. Now, there's one other item, which is expanded replacement cost versus guaranteed replacement cost. Most homeowners policies in North Carolina have expanded replacement cost coverage. So if you insure a house for $400,000, typically the provision is 25%. So I've seen some companies go up to 50% above the dwelling coverage. So there's an additional 25%. So on a $400,000 home, there's an extra $100,000 to help rebuild the house in case materials were more expensive. Let's say we have a hurricane that comes through and so many homes are damaged at the same time that there's an impact on the cost of materials and the cost of labor. In that scenario, it's going to cost more to rebuild your house. So that's when you lean on that provision of that extra 25% to help rebuild the house.
Got it.
Some companies, and you can find them out, they offer guaranteed replacement cost coverage, where as long as we had the house insured to value prior to the loss, there is no limit to what they'll pay. So if it took 600 or 700, 800,000 to rebuild the home, that's what they'll pay. So the ideal thing is to have a guaranteed replacement cost coverage policy